Contrary to popular advice, I'll tell you that you don't need any YouTube advice as an educational content creator right now, to be honest. The experience you need, you'll get it by doing reps and keep grinding at it. Just doing deliberate practice. My suggestion would be to focus on making money right now because that's the single biggest accelerator you could have on your side at this point. That is also going to allow you to stay consistent and get positive reinforcement early on, which is essential for sticking to this. How can you make money with no audience and no traffic, you may ask? Generate traffic yourself through outbound sales. That's really all you need. You don't have a course yet? No problem. Run your MVP, minimum viable offer, minimum viable product as a coaching service. By doing this, you'll get two very important things. One, cash flow to reinvest heavily on your YouTube channel, whether books, online courses and programs, or coaching from more advanced people who can speed run your process or paying for editing and tools. And number two, you will actually work one-on-one with your ideal customers, teaching them right there on the trenches, which means that you'll get immediate feedback on what's working, what's not, how to get them results faster, what are their main roadblocks and limiting beliefs, how to help them overcome those. By doing this, you will organically in your mind develop the perfect framework to streamline the process and turn that into a truly useful and practical course that you know it actually works, truly works. You might be thinking, how the fuck do I do outbound sales for myself? Or do I even find people interested on what I'm offering? Pro, have you heard about School, the Sam Ovens platform, the one that Alex Hormozzi became a partner of it not so long ago? A platform dedicated to promote deep connections between people who are actually interested on the same topics. You just got to join a good school community about your niche topic, let's say nutrition, fitness, self improvement, cooking, you name it. That has enough traffic there, and there you go. That's all you need. Thousands of warm leads just waiting for you to connect in the right way with them. Of course, you need to be careful. You cannot go out there and start spamming people's DMs like some random scammer. You are actually there to really help people, offer a shitload of value on advance, and develop trust so you can make them a good offer. You start by offering value, genuine value on comments and posts. Then you take them to the DMs and offer them even more value. Spill all the secrets. Do not gatekeep anything. That's just dumb. Trust me. People won't do anything anyways with the info you give them. That's why Alex Hormozzi says, give away all the secrets, charge for the implementation, because we humans tend to know what's right and still don't do it. And that's where your value resides. You are going to actually get them results. At the beginning, you are just showing them you got the expertise, and in case they can't afford your program, which that's where the qualifying the leads part comes, at least you are already helping them as much as you can and promoting goodwill, so they might become paying customers in the future. And reality is that anybody can afford a low ticket program, something below the 1K mark. It's just very simple. Even teenagers can do it. Actually, they buy iPhones, they buy AirPods, they buy anything, and especially a program is just not the same. For teenagers, it's a little bit more tricky to do coaching calls because they just don't like that, logically, because they are kind of awkward. But you get my point. You take them from posts and comments to DMs, and from there to offer even more value to a call where you actually make the pitch. You do this enough times, you'll get more customers than you can actually handle. The very first day I posted my first YouTube video, when I started to take YouTube seriously and this whole online business thing as well, I got 3 clients doing this, just going out there and offering my services. It's fucking crazy, but it works. It just blows my mind that nobody is doing it. I got a school community called Answer 42, in which I teach educational content creators just like you step by step how to do this and start generating traffic for themselves before they get their first organic sales through YouTube. Because this is what saved me from giving up on my dream, and I know it can save you as well. If you are interested, go click in the link on the description. It will take you to my Instagram profile, and there you just DM me the keyword ECC in all caps. Just ECC, educational content creator. We'll talk and see if we are a good fit, if you are a good fit for my program. I look forward to see you there, and if not, no problem, I'll keep putting out content like this to help you out, teach you all the secrets, and hopefully you'll implement them on your own. But the support of a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, my full courses, and how to make this work step by step, direct access to me to ask me any questions that you might have, and live training on outbound sales using this unique method that focuses on lead quality instead of lead quantity, like most outbound sales programs do. I know for a fact will be immensely valuable to you and will speedrun your journey to the top. So I hope to see you there, man. Good luck. And remember, delusion backed up just by words is just delusion. But delusion backed up by relentless action, that's called faith, brother. Duty, honor, and pride. I'll see you in the next one.